Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on the Meta Quest app. First, make sure Apple Pay is fully set up and active on your iPhone or iPad. Then, open the Meta Quest app and tap on the menu icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to the Settings section and look for payment methods to begin adding your preferred payment option. Once in the Payment Methods section, you'll see an option to add payment method. Select this, and then choose Apple Pay from the list of available choices. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate this addition. This typically involves using Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your device's passcode, ensuring a secure and seamless integration of your payment information. Now that Apple Pay is linked, making purchases is straightforward. Browse the extensive Meta Quest store for exciting new games, apps, or experiences. When you find something you want, simply tap to purchase. At the checkout screen, select Apple Pay as your payment method. A final confirmation will appear on your Apple device, requiring your authentication to complete the transaction securely. If you encounter any issues, first verify your Apple Pay settings on your iOS device are correct and up to date. Also, ensure your Meta Quest app is running the latest version, as updates often resolve bugs. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth transactions. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Meta Quest support for personalized assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.